Exercise A. Meaning from context. Page 124.
Earth's 4 systems. Earth is our home. It's the source of everything we need, from the food we eat to the valuable resources, such as oil and metals, that we need to make and use everyday products. Because it's so important, it's not surprising that many people are interested in studying Earth. And it's a huge topic to study. It's so broad, in fact, that the subject is often divided into 4 aspects called systems or spheres. These cover the main systems of our planet: the lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere. These names sound technical, but in simple terms, they are Earth's rocks, water, life, and air. These systems seem separate from each other, but scientists emphasize that they are connected. The hydrosphere and atmosphere, for example, are both essential for life. Moreover, events that affect one sphere can have an effect on other systems too. For example, an earthquake can make rocks move and cause large ocean waves. These moving rocks and powerful waves can kill animals and people. Serious natural disasters like this are relatively rare, although global warming is causing other kinds to increase.
Exercise A. Predict. Page 126.
Thanks for coming to this info session. Let's get the ball rolling, shall we? So you want to know what Earth science is and whether to major or minor in it. I'll try to give enough information to help you make that decision. I'll leave time for questions at the end, and if there's something I don't cover, come and talk to me. I've got office hours tomorrow between 10 and 12.
Listening. Studying Earth science. Exercise B. Main ideas. And Exercise C. Details. Page 127.
Thanks for coming to this info session. Let's get the ball rolling, shall we? So you want to know what Earth science is and whether to major or minor in it. I'll try to give enough information to help you make that decision. I'll leave time for questions at the end, and if there's something I don't cover, come and talk to me. I've got office hours tomorrow between 10 and 12. Okay, so first I'll try to paint a picture of what Earth science is. It's literally the biggest subject on the planet because it involves studying the 4 systems or areas of Earth: the lithosphere, You know what? Let's not get too technical at this point. In simple terms, Earth science is the study of 4 things: the rocks, water, air, and life on our planet. We often think of these things as separate. However, they're all connected. So in Earth science, for instance, you might study how living things can have an effect on Earth's atmosphere and also how they can be affected by it. This is one of the great things about Earth science. It's a very broad subject and often combines different fields of study. If you like chemistry or math or physics or computer science, you can major in one of those subjects. But what if you like chemistry and math and physics and computer science? Well, Earth science involves all of them, so it's a great choice for people with broad interests. It's also a good choice for those who love the natural world. Studying a typical science means researching in the library, studying in your room, or experimenting in a lab. You'll do all those things if you major in Earth science. But you'll also go on field trips to some of the coolest places on Earth. What else? Well, an important part of Earth science is studying natural disasters. You know, floods, earthquakes, and so on. We can't prevent these events yet, but Earth scientists are learning to predict when they might happen and reduce their impact. Let's move on now and discuss what doors an Earth science degree can open. Typical jobs include looking for valuable resources like oil, gas, and others. To give an example, something called rare earth elements are essential to make the phones, tablets, and computers we all use. As their name suggests, these substances are rare, so finding new sources of them would be a huge benefit. There's a lot of concern about the environment these days, so it won't surprise you to learn that many people who major in earth science study things like climate change and how we can protect the environment. For example, they work on renewable energy sources, such as the wind, and study how humans are changing the planet. One final thing I want to emphasize is this. Studying earth science will teach you many useful skills. You'll make predictions and draw conclusions. You'll do research and conduct experiments. You'll learn to communicate more effectively too, both in writing and speaking. And all those things I've just mentioned, they're key skills that companies want. I'm not saying that studying earth science is a ticket to any job, but it will help you develop skills that are in high demand. Okay, so we're almost out of time. Any questions?
Exercise E. Focused listening. Page 127. 1,
Thanks for coming to this info session. Let's get the ball rolling, shall we?
2,
Okay, so first I'll try to paint a picture of what earth science is.
3,
Let's move on now and discuss what doors an earth science degree can open.
4,
I'm not saying that studying earth science is a ticket to any job.
Pronunciation. Dropped consonants. Page 129.
Consonant clusters can be hard to pronounce. To make them easier to say, we often omit or leave out certain consonant sounds. Two common examples are the d sound in words that end with nds and the t sound in words that end with cts or nts. Diamonds, effects, friends, events, hands, facts, sounds, prints.
Exercise D. Page 129.
1. My parents are history teachers.
2. It's so cold. My hands are freezing.
3. Think about all the facts before you decide.
4. Are your friends coming to dinner?
5. People felt the effects of the flood for years.
6. During the winter, they spend most weekends skiing.
7. One person counts while the other person hides.
8. Hold on. It will only take a few more seconds.
9. Do you follow the latest fashion trends?
10. How many tents do you think we'll need?